Hello, it's audible?
Yeah.
Hello?
Sure. Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Fine. Participant is 70. What is the total strength of your class?
Sir, 92, sir.
Remaining?
Sir, still they will join now. 2 to 3 minutes they will join.
Okay, no problem. Then we will wait.
Okay, sir.
Class mugita? Economics?
Yes, sir. Move it, sir.
Okay, fine. How the class going on? The other classes? Are you comfortable or what?
Yes, sir. Comfortable, sir. ಅಂದ್ರು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇದಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Okay. Overall, the course teachers they are handling course for you.
Sir, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Overall, the teachers handling the course for you.
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಶ್ರೀಕಂಠ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಸರ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್, ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಶಿವಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಸರ್.
ಯಾರು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬಯಾಲಜಿ?
ಶಿವಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಬಯೋಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬೆನ್ನೆರ್ಲಾಲ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಶನ್ ಮೂರ್ಕಣ್ಣಪ್ಪ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದು ಇವ್ರು ಸರ್, ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸರ್. ಫುಡ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಸರ್. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿಮ್ಲಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸರ್. NSS ಶಂಷದ್ ಬೇಗಂ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹಲೋ,
ಹಲೋ.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Okay, fine. Participant is 84. Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And very good afternoon to one and all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. And myself, Dr. K. Somshekhar, working as an assistant professor and junior scientist in All India Coordinated Research Project on Sunflower, ZDRS, GKVK, Bangalore. I did my BSc.
The voice is not clear, sir.
It's not audible.
Sir, audible but not clear.
Sir,
Not clear. Okay. Okay. I think today there will be a problem because I am using my mobile for conducting the class because your course teacher intimated me morning only by 10:30. From tomorrow, I will going to bring my laptop and I will going to conduct a class through laptop so that it will going to be no problem for you people.
Okay,
Now
sir.
it is audible.
Yes, sir, audible.
Right. And I did my UG from College of Agriculture, Mandya. And then I did my MSc in Department of Agronomy, GKVK, Bangalore. And PhD in the same department in GKVK. And I have completed my PhD under the guidance of Dr. K.N. Kalyanmurthy, sir. He is my guide. And today, he called me in the morning and he told me to take a class. And he will not be available for another 15 to 20 days because he is busy with his daughter marriage that was scheduled on 13th and 14th of this month. So I don't know whether he will going to give me an opportunity to complete the entire course or else after his completing its vacation, maybe he may going to be continue with this course. Until then, I will going to handle this course. And my mode of teaching through PowerPoint presentation, and I will go very, very, very slowly with lot of discussion, right? Because this is a 2+1 course, and it is a very, very, very basic course and very, very, very important course for you people. And you should be very thorough enough with respect to all the basic aspect in the course. That's why I will go very slowly with the discussion. Whenever you people find difficulty in understanding, kindly let me know. I will going to repeat. There is no need of hurry in completing the syllabus, right? And I don't wish to finish around 30 slides, 40 slides per class, nothing like that. Hardly I am going to complete around 10 to 12 slides in 1 hour with lot of discussion, and I will see that I will going to pose a lot of questions for you people so that it may be very interesting in understanding the concept. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Sir. Okay.
If you have any doubt, you can stop me at any point of time. And you don't need to fear for anything. If at all, if you not understand, let me know so that I will try my level best to understand. Because your course teacher has given some important topic to cover. That is, he is completing now seeds and soil, and small bit is left over. After that, I need to start important concepts, that is soil fertility, that is essential nutrient criteria, classification of nutrients, that is macronutrients, micronutrients. After that, what is their function, how exactly each nutrient element will going to play a physiological function in the plant growth and development, and what are all the various classification of fertilizers. All those things is there, and it is a very, very basic, very interesting. Once you be pakka in this course, it will be remain forever in your mind, and you should not forget this course forever, because all the important basic aspect or basic principle of agronomy is lies in this course. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ?
Sir.
Actually, how sir was teaching you, whether through PPT or he used to dictate the notes?
Sir, only dictating, sir, by dictating.
But I don't have an habit of dictating the notes, and I will give you the notes so that you can take a print copy. And notes means whether you need word format notes or you need PPT slides.
Sir,
Excuse me,
slide.
sir.
Madam,
So your voice is not coming clear.
okay. Tell me now whether you need word format notes or PPT slides.
Sir, PPT, sir.
PPT slides.
PPT slides. Hmm.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then fine. Whatever the things I will going to cover through PPT more, and same thing I will going to send for you. If you prepare and if you read that much, it is quite enough. And I am going to pull the information from my 3 to 4 textbooks. Even there is no need to refer the textbooks. If you are confident enough to understanding the concept, and if you are thorough enough with my PPT, that's enough. You need not to bother for anything. After that,
Sir.
Yes,
Ah,
sir. Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
and you can stop me at any point of time if you have any doubts. After completing the entire concept, then only I will going to proceed with a new concept. And my teaching is very slow, and I know how to make you people involved in the discussion. And those who really involved in the discussion, certainly I will going to put a grace marks for you people for finalizing the internal marks. This is sure, and it all depends upon your activation. And then one more important announcement. If you have any problem, let me know so that I try my level best to solve those problems. But this is what expecting I am expecting. In middle of the class, don't disturb me. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? In the middle of the class, Chetan, kindly mute your speaker. So kindly don't disturb me in the middle of the class. Try to be good. Allow me to be good for you people. This is my one and only suggestion for you. How you behave in the same way I will going to behave. If you want to keep on disturbing me, I will also disturb me in my language and I will going to disturb me in my own way. Right? Try to be good and allow me to be good for you people. And I already told I don't know whether I will get an opportunity to complete this course completely or not. And for next semester, that is there is another one course from our department, that is agronomy department, that is water management course. Already HOD department allocated the same course for me for A section only next semester. So if sir is interested to continue after his vacation, he will going to continue, or else, and I will be your course teacher for agronomy until the completion of water management. That is the end of the second semester. And whatever the thing you have doubt, you can post me any question. I will try my level best to understand. Because the principles of agronomy, that is fundamentals of agronomy 2+1 course, and also the water management, these two courses are very, very, very important. You should be thorough enough. With this, we will continue our discussion from next class. And these are all the things I need to convey from my side. If you have any doubts, let me know now. Or if you need any, whether whatever the concept that I have dealt by sir have been understood by you.
Yes, sir.
Is there any confusion with respect to the concept that is covered by sir? If you have any confusion, let me know so that I can cover that also. No problem. Hello.
I think no, sir. No doubt.
No doubts. Then fine.
No,
Then
sir.
fine.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. So that I will continue with whatever is suggested me, and I think a small bit of portion is left over in the concept of seeds and sowing. That is geometry of planting, square planting, rectangular planting, the advantages, disadvantages, where exactly the square planting is possible, where exactly we need to go for rectangular planting. After that, I will going to complete in next class. That is on Saturday, I think so. After that, from Monday, we will start discussing on the essential nutrient elements, criteria of essential nutrient element, classification of essential nutrient element, their role in crop growth and development, and classification of fertilizer. What are all the various different sources of fertilizers? Everything is interesting. We're going to be directly start discussing on the chapter on from Monday, right?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
then
sir.
fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
fine
sir.
then. Okay, you can leave the meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.